Did you know you can actually study the personal support worker program for free in Ontario and even get paid while studying? Yes, this is real. Thousands of students are already doing this through the Ontario government funded programs and OSAP grants. Okay, let's first see why PSW is a golden opportunity. Ontario desperately needs qualified personal support workers. These are the healthcare heroes who help seniors, people with disabilities, and patients in long term care homes or hospitals. Because demand is so high, the government and many colleges are offering fully funded PSW programs, meaning your tuition can be covered 100%. And guess what? You may also receive grants and paid placements. How you can study for free? Here's how the funding works. Through OSAP, the Ontario Student Assistance Program, you can receive grants, free money you never pay back, and loans which are optional, interest free while you study. Number two, many approved colleges have partnered with the provinces to waive tuition fees for eligible students. Number three, during your clinical placement, some employers even pay hourly wages so you can gain experience and get paid. There are also organizations wherein you can get grants for that work experience. Number four, if you have dependents or family, OSAP automatically increases your grant amounts to help you cover your expenses for your family as well. It's very common for students to receive 5,000 to 10,000 in total aid, sometimes even more. Who can apply? You can apply with the following conditions. If you are a Canadian citizen, permanent resident, or a protected person living in Ontario. If you are at least 18 years old. If you are ready to study full-time or part-time at an OSAP approved college. If you already have a diploma or degree, you can still qualify for second career funding or OSAP to upskill into the healthcare field. How we can help you? At Skylarks International, we have helped hundreds of students enroll in fully funded PSW programs and start working right after graduation. We help you, number one, choose the right college and location for the PSW funding. Number two, apply for OSAP, bursaries, and paid placements. Number three, connect with employers who are hiring for PSWs immediately after graduation. And number four, we don't just focus on your job. We try to cover up all the aspects of your career and how can you enhance your career and your future through these programs. So if you want to study PSW for free, get paid while learning, and start a secure healthcare career in Ontario, don't wait. Click the link in the description or visit to our website or call on the given phone numbers for a free consultation. We will show you exactly which colleges still have spots available and how much funding you can get, because these are one of those rare chances where education actually pays you back. Until next time, thank you so much.